Hi ladies and gentlemen. In this tutorial, I want to show you the next step in setting up Handheld Contact API. So, when you download the app and open it, you're going to be required to log in and you're going to see two screens. The first screen will ask you for your Act server address URL, your database name, and again, you need to know this information before you get here, and then your Act username and password. So I'm going to type those things in right now, and I'm going to pause this just for security reasons. After I've typed this, I'll come back and I'll show you the next step. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, after I typed in that information and pressed login, I came into this second screen. And this is where you need to know your handheld contact username and password. So my handheld contact username is my email address that I used to set this up. And now I'm going to type in the password and press login. And now I'm logged in. That's the setup. That's what you need to do. If you have the information beforehand, it's not that hard. If you don't have that information, you're going to struggle with it. I do recommend strongly write it down, maybe put it in a document like Evernote or a Word document so you have it and you can copy and paste it from one to the other if necessary. You might want to email it to yourself so you can access your email to copy and paste things. But if you don't have those pieces of information, you're not going to get in. Once you get in, it's pretty straightforward and easy to start using handheld contact. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. Have a great day.